Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to install Python. Python is a programming language that used for many tasks including web development, data analysis, software development. It's known for beginning, easy to learn and use, and is often recommended for beginning. Please like, share and subscribe my video. So let's start. First we open browser and we write here python.org and we click welcome to python.org. Here is our website python.org. We go to download. After download we go to Python download for Windows. We click here. Our file is downloaded. Right click and run as administrator. We click both. Customize installation. Next advanced option. If you want to require, you click and install. Our Python is installed successfully and we open. We go to IDLE Python. Here is our Python installed successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video.